Let's listen to what music can sound like in Sibelius without using another DAW. So a lot going on. It sounds super, hopefully it sounds super big, heavy, and there's all sorts of craziness going on in there. How does that happen? Well, all of that, it's a complicated process in one way. It's another way, it's actually simple in that I just did the same thing that I've been doing in that small world in the big world. So let's go take all the techniques I showed you and how do I put them into reality.